exhibition is all about seeing the best of India's craftsmanship, which are designed for the world. बहुत सारी चीजें डोमेस्टिक मार्केट में कभी मिलता ही नहीं है. So imagine the kind of the creativity, kind of the art, craftsmanship of India, which is known all over the world. जो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं.
You know, we have showcased this Veneer marquetry collection. This
Oh,
has been designed by Earthmoon, led by architect Adrish Chakraborty. So this is a veneer marquetry, inlay of veneer marquetry. All the veneers have been from our collection, and these veneers are dyed also in our factory. And there is inlay of copper wire also. This particular collection was from we got the designs on 22nd of September. The material finalization happened on 26th of September. So since materials finalization, all these pieces were manufactured in less than 15 days time. Obviously, the number one material is veneers.
Yeah.
है ना. So number one material is veneers because that is our expertise. Veneers तो एक broad category हो गई. फिर उसके अंदर dyed veneers because again that is our expertise. क्योंकि we dye the veneer ourselves. We are a full backward integrated plant. So there are very few in the world. है ना. इंडिया में मैं शायद एक या दो मैं कुछ एरिया में जानता हूँ. तो हमारे पास we have one of the big inventories of veneers. We have one more veneer dyeing plant. Then we make furniture, millwork furniture with that. Then we have expertise with leather surfaces. We have expertise with straw marquetry,
yeah.
straw. Then my sister's company, they have expertise with stone, with glass mosaic.
Because you have this expertise in-house, the materials in-house, that gives you a very big edge.
Yeah. So first of all, in veneers we have material in-house. We not only have inventory of about 1.2 million square meters of veneers in 250 SKUs. We have our own veneer dyeing plant. So that gives us a very big advantage. And then we have small batches of dyeing plant in the lab. Suppose we need 10 shades of pink, we can do it.
So I can see this is a very big advantage. Why I'm saying so? Because as architects and designers, what happens, we all want that our project should be unique. And people are not able to deliver because they have to cookie cut and do things because of the large volume that is required for the batches. Now what happens with him is that they can create limited editions, small batches of product and make your project unique by delivering that kind of a design and quality as well. Thank you so much, Ankur ji. Nice meeting you.
Same
again.
here. And thanks a lot for your kind words.
Thank you.